How to fix Snapchat Bitmoji verification not working. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Now, if you're not getting or receiving your verification code for Snapchat login or two verification code, then there are certain things that you can try. First thing is to toggle on and off your airplane mode to refresh your network and cellular connection as well. Turn off any active VPN services completely, as Snapchat often blocks verification attempts from mismatched IP addresses. Now, if you're using iOS, you can head over and to settings, and you can update the settings by heading into messages and toggling send as SMS off and back on. However, if you're using Android device, head over to your message application. From here, you want to tap on three dots and head over to settings, and from settings you want to head over to blocked numbers and spams and see for blocked messages if there are any there. Now, sometimes it can be a simple glitch or a bug, a server error, so in that case you want to wait it out and try it again later. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.